Hello everyone, my name is Felix with the Community Building Performance Lab, and today we're going to go ahead and launch a occupancy light on and off data logger. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and select the first button on the left top corner, our launch button, and we want to say OK here. And this is our launch logger window setup. So this first top section gives us name, so we can name this logger. We named it testing lighting for now, and then it gives us our battery level, just to make sure we have enough battery on the logger itself to record over time. And now this middle section, it's our sensor. This is our configuration in regards to what the sensor can record. So in this case, we can see how we have lights and occupancy selected. So they're both at state. So we have the selection of choosing state or runtime. The state basically gives us an event dependent um, uh, data set. So anytime the light goes on, it'll record, and anytime the light goes off, it will also give us a value. So in this case, it would just go on and off essentially. So we'll have like ones and zeros in our Excel CSV file. So here, as you can also see, there's other values that we can record, but since we're doing light and occupancy, this is fine. Off and on for light, and for occupancy we have unoccupied and occupied. This bottom section right down here is our deployment section, which essentially we can tell the logger login interval. As you can see, it's grayed out right now because we have it as state, but if I was to go ahead and change to runtime, now I can actually go ahead and select it. And the only difference is that if I go ahead and select 1 minute, for example, as a login interval, what it will do is it will give me a run time of how long the light has been on within that 1 minute interval. So let's say, for example, 20 seconds it was on, and then 40 seconds it was off, and it will actually give me that timestamp and that value in that format. For our case, we just want to do a state, so we just want to go ahead and know when it's on and when it's off. Once we're satisfied with our settings, it's just a matter of clicking start right at the bottom corner. We have it as start logging now right away. So let's go ahead and stop logging with the push button. That's fine. So let's go ahead and click start, and let's see. Here we go. And now essentially our logger is logging. If we want to go ahead and confirm that it's logging, it's just a matter of clicking on the third button on the top left hand corner, which is device status, and this will give us a window informing us that the logger has been launched, that is logging, and it will give us the value here essentially if it was when they come up. Alright, perfect. We have launched a occupancy light on and off data logger.